Today, I've compiled a list of the Black Friday and the Cyber Monday deals to try and find the best prices on RV gear. There's people that wait all year to try and find the lowest prices right now. I'm putting as much of this information I could find in one spot so you can find those deals while also trying to weed out the sale items that kind of create that feeding frenzy. So we got a ton to get to, so let's not waste any time, let's get started. So diving right into our list is the Instant Pot. It's usually $100 and it's on sale right now for $69. The Instant Pot's been a staple for RVers for a long time, and I put a lot of these things through a price tracker. So you're looking at it for over the year, seeing it at this price, it's a good deal if you're looking for one. Next up is a Pit Boss pellet smoker. Usually it's $279 and right now it's $210. We've used our pellet smoker a ton. Even after I set it on fire, it's still working. Next up is GMRS handheld two-way radios. I found these for $51.74, which matches its lowest price that it's ever been at for two of them. This is still one of our greatest options for communication when we're in a place with no cell service until Starlink really kind of comes to our phones. These come in clutch when you're backing up or just trying to have that communication outside of that cell phone range. Side note on these, you do need a license to be able to operate this. It's a really small fee and it covers the entire family. Not to mention that this also has a emergency weather radio in there, so just a lot of stuff packed in there. This was one that I found that had pretty good reviews on it. It's very customizable. I'm probably gonna pick up a couple of these. Talking about something that people want to pick up is usually everybody waits for this RV lock sale because this is the lowest prices they usually have throughout the entire year. We have RV locks on our front doors. We have RV locks on our storage doors. They also have handles that you can lock and unlock your front door, so it makes it easier to access. They've really broadened their spectrum of what they carry, but they have amazing sales this time of year every single time. So check out the entire lineup for RV lock. That reminds me, after you get through this list, if you see something that I miss, it's a really good deal out there, put that down in the comments. I'm not trying to gatekeep anything here. I just want to give all the deals that I possibly can. So if you find one, please leave that down in the comments. Talking about comments, this next one that has a pretty good sale is actually a question that I had from last video. Question is, watching your video as you were talking about the leveling equipment, I had never seen the one that you rolled up on. That one's the Camco Fast 10. It's an entire modular system. We've always traveled with the stackable blocks, but this one's modular, so you can actually attach other things to it. And really, the entire Fast 10 lineup is on the Black Friday sale. So at the core, you have the Fast 10 stackable blocks, has a handle that can go inside of there so you can carry it around. We've always used these underneath our landing gear and leveling system because you never know what the terrain is gonna be like, so it gives you the ability to be able to level up your RV even if the ground isn't all that level. But obviously, you can also use these to be able to level up your RV in case you need to drive up on them so they can stack together. But the thing with them is you can have a wheel chock that actually mounts and connects right into there, which makes it nice because it's hard to use wheel chocks when you drive up on something. So having that be a modular system that just locks right in there makes a lot of sense. But they also have on sale the big blocks. So if you wanted to put those underneath your landing gear, you also can put those stackable blocks on there. They're meant to nest inside of there. So really, it's like an entire system that you kind of build off that core of the Fast 10 stackable blocks. This next one is actually really popular, and it's the Trailer Aid at 41% off. So if you had a tandem axle fifth wheel or travel trailer and you had a flat tire and you had this, you can pull up on that with your good wheel and then you can change the other wheel. So that's an extremely popular piece of equipment. And it's a good price on it too right now. So as always, links are gonna be down in the description to everything that we're talking about in this video. So if you've been waiting to get gear like this for a while, you can find those links right down below and get to that best price. Next up is RV Solar Connections. They're doing 10% off on their site. So where I get almost all of my solar equipment. So they carry a lot of Victron stuff and you don't always see sale prices on Victron equipment. So if you're looking to build a system, this might be the time to pick up a solar charge controller or an inverter or something like that. Now here's an example of what to look for. The Coleman table that we have is on a Black Friday sale. Absolutely love that table, but you put it in a price tracker and you can see that over the life of it, it's really gone up in price over the last year. So it might be the lowest price in 6 months, but using these price trackers, we can see that really the price of this has gone up in the grand scheme of things. It's definitely not near the lowest price. These price tracker tools can help us out. They're not always 100% accurate, but they do give you an idea if it's an actual sale or if it's just a sale sticker. So next on our list is everything that Etrailer has. They actually have a haul a day sale. Get it? Haul a day, trailer, hauling, holiday. You get it. They made it really easy to find the deals that they have going on right now. So you click at the top to find the perfect gift. So they have sales going on right now, but they also have sales that are going to be specific for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So some of those are snap pads, set of 4 of them for $111. Those are pretty popular. Timbrins for 20% off. They have under-seat storage, Duha under-seat storage. We have a ton of storage underneath the seat of our truck, but if you put in your vehicle information, you can find which ones actually fit your truck, because these are custom fit storage for your back seat. If you're looking for a hitch, I know WaySafe has, I think, 20% off a lot of their products. We also have Amp Lock up to 25% off. If you're looking for a lock for your trailer or your fifth wheel, might be fun to actually get some of those right now and see how sturdy they are. Put them through the ringer while they're on sale. Possible future tests to share. They also have propane up to 25% off. We just did a video on some of the propane accessories you can have, so those are on a Black Friday sale. They also have bike racks on this list. The list can really go on and on. Definitely check it out, see what they have on their sale. Now, if you're looking for lithium batteries, almost all of them have a sale going on right now. I strongly encourage you to check those prices up against the battery buyer's guide, because sometimes they'll say a percentage off, but the rate has really been jacked up to show a percentage off. So that buyer's guide kind of shows you what the price was just before their Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals. But I know Enduro's doing 20% off, Epic's doing 15% off, Battleborn just came out with some new batteries. I know they have really good sales this time of year if you're a Battleborn person. I know Big Beard Batteries is also doing sales at this time, and Sun Fun Kits has 10% off some of their batteries. And most of the power station systems out there right now are having sales. I saw EcoFlow, the Delta Pro, right now you can get that for $1,900. Okay, a little bit of a lightning round to get through some of these. We have a roadside safety kit for $18.39. That's the lowest price that I've seen on that this year. We have Out In Coffee, lowest price of the year. This is actually a portable espresso machine. Heats up the water and delivers espresso shots. Gulu Jumpstart, this was on our Prime Day deals, but this is even lower than that at $84. I had picked one up at the last sale for $99, so this is a pretty good price. And this was one of the top ones on Project Farm's video. I actually created a list on Amazon, so if you click on that, you can see everything that was on the Amazon list for this Black Friday sale. Some of those things are even more than what I could kind of pack into this video. Again, leave a comment down below. If you found a sale that's really good, leave that down below and share it with everybody else. I'm going to be adding to this list as things keep popping up and we see good deals. I just want to be able to help you find the lowest prices out there possible for you for RVing. So anyways, I think that's going to do it for today and this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope that it helped you out in some way. So as always, if we don't see you on the road, hopefully we will see you next video. Take care. Oh, and happy Thanksgiving.